Welcome to the Introduction to Stream Processing. In this video, we'll cover the fundamentals of real-time data processing and how it's used in modern applications to gain live data insights. Stream processing is the continuous processing of unbounded data streams in real time as events occur. Key aspects of stream processing are low-latency processing, meaning data is processed almost immediately, and continuous data flow, where data is constantly being ingested and processed without interruption. Let's contrast batch processing with stream processing. Batch processing involves processing large volumes of data all at once, which results in higher latency, typically from minutes to hours, and is often executed on a scheduled basis. On the other hand, stream processing processes events as they arrive, achieving low latency in milliseconds, and operates with continuous execution. Stream processing has several key characteristics. First, low latency, which means events are processed within milliseconds of their arrival. Second, scalability, which enables the system to handle growing data volumes and processing demands. Third, fault tolerance, ensuring continuous processing despite system failures. And fourth, stateful processing, which maintains state across multiple events to provide context and enable complex analysis. Stream processing is used in a variety of real-world applications. This includes fraud detection, where transactions are analyzed in real time for suspicious patterns. Live analytics, providing real-time dashboards and business metrics. Alert systems, which send instant notifications based on predefined data thresholds. Personalization, delivering dynamic content and recommendations. Internet of Things or IoT monitoring involving sensor data processing and device control. Lastly, social media, providing live feeds and trending topic analysis. A typical stream processing architecture consists of three core components. First, data sources such as sensors, logs, databases, and application programming interfaces or APIs that generate continuous data. Second, a stream processor which transforms, filters, and analyzes data in motion in real time. Finally, data sinks like databases, dashboards, alerts, and downstream systems, where the processed data is sent for storage, visualization, or further action. Several industry-standard platforms and frameworks are available for stream processing. Apache Kafka is a distributed streaming platform for high-throughput data pipelines. Apache Storm is a real-time computation system for processing unbounded data streams. Apache Flink is a stream processing framework with event-time processing capabilities. And Amazon Web Services, or AWS, Kinesis is a cloud-native streaming service for real-time data processing. Let's look at a simple stream processing example for real-time temperature monitoring using Python. First, we define a function called process_temperature that takes a stream of temperature readings. This function filters the stream to only include readings above 30 degrees Celsius. Then, it transforms the data to create alert objects containing the temperature and an alert status set to high. Finally, we process the incoming temperature stream, generating alerts for high temperatures and sending them to a destination. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.